Size, super simple recipes. Number 44. Fruit loaf. I am not, and I have never been, a cake maker of any kind. But somebody's given me an all-in-one bowl recipe, which I like. So I'm going to give it a go. You just mix everything together, shove it into a cake loaf tin, and hopefully it'll all be alright. So 225 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Right, open the baking powder, there we go. Then 110 grams of soft brown sugar, 110 grams of softened butter, so hopefully there's no rubbing in, because that would be awful. It's one of the reasons I can't be arsed making cakes. 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of semi-skimmed milk. One, 2, 3, 4. That's close enough. And then in theory you just blend all that lot together, which will be fun. Luckily, with it being quite warm in this kitchen, the butter was fairly soft to start with. I don't think there's enough milk in that mix, but I'll do as I'm told. Well, I don't know about you, but that seems a bit stiff to me. I'm going to put a drop more milk in there. Like I said, not like I'm a cake maker, so what do I know? Into that doughy batter mix, we've got 225 grams of fruit. I'm using sultanas and cherries. We'll see what happens, won't we? You want to keep some tin foil handy for this, because this is going to go into a 150-degree oven for about an hour to an hour and a quarter. Now that probably means that the top will start to burn, so I'm going to check it after 40 minutes and pop a top on it of tin foil just to stop it burning. Right, so apparently that now needs to get spooned into that. So I'm bound to get this everywhere. Tastes quite pleasant. Give that a quick smooth down. Like I say, I'm not a cake maker, so I have no idea if this seems like it's the right consistency or not. Right, so it don't look too awful. We'll stick that in the oven. We'll come back in an hour and see what we've got. I'll come back once that's done away after 40 minutes and see if it needs a colour. Our fruit loaf has been in now for 45 minutes, so I'm just going to check that it's rising and pop a cover on it to make sure it's not burning. Oh, it's risen quite nicely. So I'm just going to pop a cover over, not tightly either, just to make sure that it doesn't burn. And it goes back in now for the last 15 minutes. And we come back when that's at another 15 minutes. Right, and malt loaf has now been in for exactly an hour. So let's see where we are. Quick knife test. It's come out clean. So the next question is, will it even turn out? That's a bit I always worry about, but we give it a go. Perfection. Excellent. Well pleased with that. One malt loaf. Build done.